这是由榕树根系连接起来的生命之桥，这才是人与自然的和谐生活。
These roots can grow up to 2.5 centimeters a day. They are unusually strong, flexible, and can develop into a multitude of shapes. The Kazi persuade them to provide them with stairs. This is the wettest place in the world. Rivers become lethal torrents, dividing communities from each other. When they're mature enough to have developed many hanging roots, these strands will combine as they grow, sharing nutrients and resources and becoming stronger than a lone strand could ever be. As the years pass, the growing roots become a living bridge. As they grow, they become ever stronger and more stable. This unusual relationship has allowed the people here to thrive in an otherwise challenging landscape.